We'll guide you through how to fix no service on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying, so I've managed to go and fix it before, so let's go and get some fixes. First of all, do just make sure you've moved around the area you're in, because it may just be a certain location you're in which has actually got no service. If you're sure though there should be service, maybe you've got it on another phone but not this phone, let's get started. First of all, in your control center, access it by drawing down on the battery, go and put your phone into airplane mode, like so. Leave it in there for a few seconds and then press it again. Your iPhone will go and then reconnect to the network, and sometimes doing that refresh can get you service. The next thing you can try doing is opening your settings, scrolling down and pressing general, and then press software update. See if there's anything available. If there is, go and do it and see if that solves the problem. The next fix you can try is a restart. So press the increase volume button, the decrease, and hold down the side power button. Keep it held down, shortly your phone screen will go black. Release it when you go and see the Apple icon. When your iPhone starts again, go and see if that goes and solves the problem. Hopefully it does. If it still doesn't, try getting in contact with your carrier, as there may be a problem with your account potentially. And what you could also try doing is using the SIM card in another phone, as it could be a faulty SIM card, and so you may need to go and get a new one.